Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a password generator and manager in Excel with random numbers, letters and symbols using two formulas, RANDBETWEEN formula and CHAR formula. So this tutorial video is very important. Watch this video till the end. I will show you how to generate password in MS Excel using uppercase, lowercase and numbers, special characters and symbols. But before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it to get the latest updates, and by the end of the video don't forget to hit the like button. So let's start the process. For your convenience, I have made a table. In first column I have taken customer names, and in second column I will apply the formula to generate passwords. See, I have generated another table. This is basically the explanation table of generating password. In column 1, this is type of letters like uppercase, lowercase, numbers and special characters and symbols. And in the second column, this is a range which we will use in the formula. For example, for uppercase, the range is 65 to 90, and for lowercase letters, range is 97 to 122, and for numbers the range is 48 to 57. For special characters the range is 91 to 95, and for symbols the range is 33 to 47. And in the last column, these are the characters which will produce after applying the formula. I will apply two formulas here. The first formula is CHAR formula and the second formula is RANDBETWEEN formula. The CHAR formula turns number into symbols or letters, and the RANDBETWEEN formula generates random numbers only. I will apply both functions in the single formula. So friends, let's do it. Now go to the first table in the password cell and write the formula. For example, if I write only RANDBETWEEN formula in this cell, then this will produce only values. And by pressing F9 key, the values will automatically change again and again. Now this time is to apply CHAR formula here. Select the cell and write the formula equal CHAR, open the bracket, RANDBETWEEN. For example, first I will take a uppercase letter. For this, pick the range 65 to 90. Here, close the bracket and again close the bracket. Now press sign button, and to generate random numbers like 1000 to 9000, so write RANDBETWEEN, open the bracket and write the range 1000 to 9000, close the bracket. Now press and sign and apply CHR formula, open the bracket, RANDBETWEEN. Now for lowercase letters, pick the range 97 to 122. Now close the bracket two times because we have used two formulas here. Again press and sign and write the formula CHAR, open the bracket and write RANDBETWEEN. Again open the bracket, and for numbers write 48 to 57. This is a range of numbers. Close the bracket two times. Similarly, for special characters and symbols, write the same formula CHAR, open the bracket, RANDBETWEEN and pick the range 91 to 95. Close the bracket two times. Now press and sign, and for symbols write CHAR, open the bracket and write RANDBETWEEN. Again open the bracket and pick the range 33 to 47. Close the brackets two times and press enter button. See, in the password cell, the password is generated here. Simply drag this cell till the end to apply the same formula in the whole column. Now see, the formula is applied in this column. Now to lock the values in the password column, simply select the cell and press Ctrl plus C and press right key. Now select paste as value. See, the values in is locked. Now pressing F9 keys, the values will not be changed. So that's it. This is very simple process. There are many ways to generate passwords, but this is the simplest way. I hope you like this video. If you have any question about the entire process, then please tell me in comment section below. And if this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting me and see you in the next video.